Alexis?
Well, Jennifer, even after admitting to years of misconduct as a sheriff and swindling taxpayers out of millions of dollars, the Jamie Knowles saga is far from over. Now we wait to see if the judge accepts his plea deal. Nearly a year after his arrest, the arrest of 4 others close to him, and 70 search warrants served at his properties and businesses, former Clark County Sheriff Jamie Knowles admits to misusing public funds to support a lavish lifestyle. Knowles accepted a plea deal in court Monday.
After reviewing the evidence, the statutes, and the law in this matter, you are before the court to admit your guilt and set out in the plea deal, right?
As part of the plea deal, Knowles will plead guilty to 27 felony charges ranging from theft to corrupt business influence. Knowles' ghost employment charges will be dismissed. His sentence is 15 years in prison with 3 years suspended for probation, but he'll pay just over $3 million in restitution to the fire and EMS agencies he stole from, the State Revenue Department and Indiana State Police.
Judge Medlock has taken the guilty plea under advisement. He's not entered judgment of conviction at this point in time and will not enter judgment of conviction until sentencing occurs.
On the bench Monday, the specially appointed judge said he is not accepting the plea deal until he hears from those affected by Knowles' corruption, asking them to contact the special prosecutor's office to speak at the former sheriff's sentencing hearing.
EMS workers that have lost their jobs, paramedics that are not out there saving people because the money was diverted for pleasures. I want to hear from people that don't have $800 belts. I want to hear from taxpayers that have been aggrieved by the actions of this individual.
But Special Prosecutor Rick Hurdle commends investigators for their work on the case and this significant step towards accountability and justice.
I think that him going to prison for 12 years, if the judge accepts this agreement, should be a pretty big deterrent for a guy who lived the lifestyle that he lived leading up to this.
And while it appears Jamie Knowles' case is nearing a close, Rick Hurdle confirms prosecutors' jobs are not done yet, saying there could be additional indictments and arrests for other individuals connected to his crimes. Live outside the Clark County Courthouse, I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.